Pleasant good morning to everyone. This is your plate number 6 entitled Geometric Construction. At the start, we already know the different parts and the view that is already illustrated on the sample plates, but still we are going to demonstrate individual problems from problem number 1 up to problem number 6. As you read on the drawing, the first problem is to draw an acute angle with a given side. So there is already a given angle, but the solution is the same. You are going to draw another angle on the other side. On the second problem is to draw a parallel lines from a given horizontal line. And the third problem is to draw an acute angle with a given acute angle divided into two, meaning you have to bisect the acute angle. And the next problem is to draw a perpendicular line with a given line AB, and the fifth problem is to bisect a diagonal line with a given line AB. And the last problem is to draw an equilateral triangle with a given line AB. So all of these are being processed through the different given. So we are going to identify each entities, or what we call that, character, to indicate letters in order to name the sequence of the process. So we'll start with problem number 1. Okay, as you see on the paper, there is already a block. It's already illustrated and there is no given yet, but still we are going to draw the given. So the first problem is to draw an acute angle. Okay, so to draw an acute angle, so we have to draw any positions of a line. Let's say this is line AB, and indicate line A and B, and using point A as your center, then draw an imaginary arc or a light arc going upward, and likewise with a given radius, draw another arc. So the intersection of two arcs will create a point that will be considered as point C to connect A and C, point A and point C, to order to identify that is already an acute angle. So we have already an acute angle given. So this is now the solution of the first problem. Now we come to the second problem. There is a given line AB. There's a given line AB. Indicate it line A and B. And then there is a corresponding given radius of 2 centimeter. The 2 centimeter will get the radius from point A to point D, and using any part of this line AB, draw an arc, a very light arc. So let us check first. Ayan. Then draw a very light arc. Likewise on the other part, nearby point B, draw another arc. So this arc or radius of the arc is equal to line CD, meaning the distance of the radius came from the line CD. So that is how we explain it. And then The last part is to draw a line tangent to the arc, the first and the second arc, horizontally. Ayan. And then, indicate the letter, since that is already a number on literal value of letter C and D, so it follows by G and H. Why it's G and S? Because your point will be indicated letter E and another point is letter F. Okay, so that is the second problem. Now we come to the next problem. Problem number 3 is to bisect an acute angle. So an acute angle, this is not an acute angle, as you see. There is no specific radius, but we have to define it as acute angle that is less than 90 degrees. So indicate angle P O R, meaning yung O, yung tinatawag natin vertex. Ayan. And then what you are going with the given angle. You have to draw a small arc crossing line OP and another arc crossing line OR. Check natin. Ito. And then, using that intersection, because it created a point, using that intersection, we have to draw another arc using this point. Any part of this. So, first arc, using this point, another arc, and then we created already here a point, an intersection, to connect your bisector. So, this is now called as bisector. So, this is now the solution for problem number 3. Okay? So, we proceed to problem number 4. So, problem number 4. Okay, focus natin. Ayan. Kita-kita nyo, no? Ayan. So, in a problem number 4, the given is line AB. Of course, that is line AB because it's the first line. Now, the second problem is to draw a small arc from point A and draw a cross of an arc on line AB and towards another arc on the right portion. Okay, so there is already 2 arcs. And then what you are going to do is to extend the line AB towards left in order to intersect a point here. So using that point and the point here, dito, yung point dito at saka yung point dito, and then draw an arc upward. And using this point to the extended line, draw another arc. You will observe that it's already intersected 2 arcs that created a point, and you can now connect point A towards that point to create perpendicular line. Okay, so this point is considered as point C. No, A, B, C. Okay, so that is for problem number 4, solution. Now we come to problem number 5. Okay, problem number 5, as you read, to bisect a given line. So, a given line that is considered as maybe it's diagonal or any position. Let's say the position is in a diagonal position, but you have to bisect it into 2 parts. So, name this line A B. Okay, line AB. So, we have to bisect line AB using point A and line or point B. And I created a point that may point C. And you have to draw a line which is perpendicular to line AB towards point C. So that will be already created a point here as point P, and you can already create a small arc here to use that point P. Kasi the main problem is how to draw an arc within the line AB and finding the point P. Of course, we started with getting the point C, and the last is to get the point P. Okay, so the main problem here is to point P, ano? But the problem here, as usual, is to bisect. Okay, so that is the solution for problem number 5. We come to problem number 6. So, in the problem number 6 is to draw an arc, to draw an arc tangent to a given arc. But still, we close this problem. The problem is to draw an equilateral triangle. Take note, we cross this problem. To draw an equilateral triangle with a given line AB. So, we use this line AB, mark it line A and B, and then draw a very light line or very light arc towards point A, going upward, and using point B, I point as your center, then start from point B going upward. And the two intersected arc created a point that is point C, and then connect point C and point A to determine the equilateral triangle. Okay, so that is not the solution for problem number 6. And ignore this problem. The problem is to draw an equilateral triangle with a given side AB. No? So, remove this. Okay? So, that is already the solutions for your plate number 6. It is true to all from BSIT 1A to 1H. So, whatever demonstration is being held, you must follow the series or the sequence of the demonstration. Okay.